here and wear the earbuds.
那大家都同意去 Disney World 吗？
Do you think we could go back
Does
to
everyone
China
agree to go to
this
Disney
summer
World?
vacation?
Hey guys, this is Frank. In this video, I will show you another very useful AI interpreter, which is the X1 Meeting from the Timekettle. I already used the W4 Pro before. This one works very good for most scenario, but this one is more focused on the business, focused on the meeting and the conference. There are a few scenarios it works much better. I will show you how this get work. So first of all, let's take a look at what's inside of this box.
Okay, now let's take a look at what's inside of the box. Let's open this one. This is the user manual. X1M. This one is the interpreter hub. It's pretty heavy. Here are the earbuds. They are magnetic, so it's very easy to put them back. This is the ear hook. It helps you secure the earbuds. These are the ear tips. They also help you secure your earbuds. Here's the cable, USB-A to USB-C. This is pretty much what we have. It looks very good. Okay, now let me start the Timekettle device. Here's the startup screen, interpreter hub. Let's pick a language. Choose English, then click Next. I agree. This is a touch screen. It's pretty much like an Android device. Now let me type my password. Click Next. For email, you don't need to put your email here. It has detected the earbuds. Okay. Now, click Next. Okay, here we go. This is how to get it working. This is pretty much how to power on the device.
Now let me introduce a multi-person meeting mode. One X1M device supports real-time interpretation or up to 50 participants across 5 languages in a single meeting.
So now let me show you how this get work. First of all, let's create the meeting. Here we have the multiple language. You can pick up as many as 5 language. These people speak a different language. So for my case, I only have 2 language. So we just speak the English and Chinese. Let's click Next. Okay, now it's creating the meeting. Let's share the meeting. Ideally, we could send the screenshot or take a photo and send it to the guest. But right now, because we are here, I just ask my son and my wife to scan the barcode. Okay, once they are getting ready, let's take off the earbuds. Let's hey everyone.
Hello.
Everyone, hello.
Hey, could you introduce yourself?
Hey, could you introduce yourself?
I am Michael.
So you can see it's a house.
我是妈妈。
I am a mother.
Okay, could you talk about the plan for
Okay.
this summer vacation?
Could you talk about the plan for this summer vacation?
I plan to go to Disney World or a national park.
让 Michael 说他想去哪吧。
Let Michael say where he wants to go.
Okay, I think the Disney World maybe is a good idea. So what do you think?
Okay, I think Disney World might be a good idea. So what do you think?
I think going to Disney World would be a good idea.
那大家都同意去
Could you say
Disney
something?
Hey,
World
Michael.
吗？
Do you think we could go back
Does
to
everyone
China
agree to go to
this
Disney
summer
World?
vacation?
Could you say something? And do you think we could go back to China this summer vacation?
Going back to China this summer vacation would also be a great idea.
那你们选哪一个呢？
So which one would you choose?
You guys can choose.
I think going to Disney World is better.
我同意。
I agree.
So we are going to Disney World.
I think that is the final decision.
爸爸来做可以吗？
Okay, let's talk later. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Now let me show you how media translation works. It works with any device that can connect to a Bluetooth headset. For example, if you play a video on your iPhone and you don't understand the language, you can use this feature. First of all, let's go here. For the first time, it will ask you to connect your Bluetooth device. It is very simple. I already connected this before, so let's just connect and click Next. This one is the source, the original language playing on your iPhone. The left one is the input, and the right one is the output. For me, the input is Chinese, and the output is English. Okay, so click Next. Here's some information. We don't need to worry about that. Okay, now let's play.
华硕、戴尔、惠普、联想、微软、Surface、微星，今年秋天就会上市。
You can see the video is still speaking Chinese, but the text is in English, so it has been translated into English. The voice comes from here. This is actually the original voice. If you look here, this is the output. You can set the output to English. If you only want English, just turn off this one. Then you can only hear
这
English.
说明什么？说明
It is
AI
very
已经不再是
convenient.
实验室里的玩具。
There is a little bit of delay, but I think it is very good. When you watch a video and you don't understand the language, you can use this feature to translate it into English. The interpreter hub will do the translation. Once the translation is done, it will convert the text into voice and send it back to the earbuds. So, this is how it works. Okay? I think this is how media translation works.
Now let's try the one-to-one translation. Click this one. You will have two earbuds. One is for the Chinese, another one is for the English. Let me give this one to my son. Please speak English and I will speak Chinese. So let's start. Let's put it here. Hey, 儿子，
Hey, son.
Hello.
你好，
你今天都在家里干什么呢？
What have you been doing at home today?
I have finished my homework and also practiced all my instruments.
我已经完成了作业，并练习了所有的乐器。
哦，不错不错。那你明天有什么安排呢？
Oh, not bad, not bad. So, what plans do you have for tomorrow?
Some plans that I have for tomorrow is to go to a violin and a piano.
All right, very good. Very good. Bye.
Okay, so looks very good. Now let's talk about the listen and play. So this scenario is for if you are at the presentation, you don't understand the speaker. So you could put this one very close to the speaker and wear the earbuds. Then it could translate to your own language in real time. So now let me show you how this get work. Let me give this to my son. And I will tell a story. Let's do it. 很多年前，一个小男孩在街边卖伞。
One
小
day,
男孩笑着说
the weather is so：“
因
nice.
为我不是在卖伞，
How do you sell
我
umbrellas?
是在卖下雨时不用着急呀。”
The little boy
路人
smiled and
觉得
said,
有意思，
because I am not selling
买了100。
umbrellas.
第3
I
天
am selling
也
peace
很
of
好，
mind, so you won't have to
路
worry
人
about
开
rain.
始后悔了。结果第4天，暴雨来了，
Third day,
所有人都在商店门口
and to regret
躲
it,
雨，
I felt like I wasted
排
my
长
money.
队抢伞。很多东西的价值
Passerby
不是
forgot
在
an
卖的时
umbrella
候
from their
体
bag.
现，好
What
的
is the
时候
secret to your
准
success?
备伞。
He said, everyone else is waiting for it to rain. I prepare when the weather is good.
Okay. Did you understand the story?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, now let me show you the ask and go. I think this feature is the most useful one, especially for my mom. When she came United States, she has no idea about English, so she could use this one as a tourist. So let me show you how this get work. You can see you could pick up different language. This one will automatically detect what you are speaking, which language you are using, and it will automatically translate to another language. So you don't need to care about what language you are speaking. It will translate to another one anyway. You just press this button. 儿子，明天我们去看电影好吗？
Son, shall we go watch a movie tomorrow?
Sure, we can go watch a movie tomorrow.
当然，我们明天可以去看电影。What time do you think we should go to the movies tomorrow?
We could go to the movies at around 11 p.m.
我们可以在晚上11点左右去看电影。
那好，就这样定了。
All right, it's settled then.
It looks very good. Yeah, it's very precise.